Hello peeps, it's that time again. So we're going to make some orange pepper flavored pork chops. You see that? And my son wants them fried. So, got the handy dandy frying pan. We're going to slide this over a little bit. So we tilt this down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to put a little oil in this pan. And I'm going to get it nice and heated. Got my little bag of flour. And because he loves this so much, I'm down to less than half a container. So I have to put a little bit of flour in it because I don't have a whole lot of seasoning. Because he's went through it. He's become obsessed with orange pepper pork chops or orange pepper everything. So I'm gonna close the Ziploc, mix it all up. I've already washed the meat. It is now heating up. So, standard, washed pork chop, dip it into dip it into flour. I like to use Ziploc bags because it saves the mess. Once you're done, you can pretty much just throw it in the trash and you're done with it. You don't have to have this massive mess, put it in a bowl, and have to clean it up afterwards and all that good crap. I think I'm gonna have to buy some more orange. And that is pretty much all you have to do. So now I'm gonna let this sit here and cook, and we will be back. Oh yeah, what did I do? There we go. Time to flip these beautiful babies over. Oh, look at that. Deep golden brownness. Look at that. Let me take a good sniff. So I'm gonna let this continue frying, and afterwards, I got two more I have to cook. I'm going to probably add some extra to it. Maybe add some sides like some mashed potatoes or something. But before this, we'll do a quick taste test. I'll be back. So I got the other ones cooking. So let me grab one of these pork chops. We're going to do a standard sniff test. Smells like pork chop. A little bit of orange. You can't really tell it that much. I think I just hit a bone. Oh, Lord. I don't like to eat fried food because of the negative health. Because fried foods are very unhealthy. But this orange pepper pork chop, it's a straight die for. Now, I'm trying to remember where I got this from. And I want to say it's a Fully Neighborhood Food Line. And as you can tell, I need more. Oh, see this. If you like pork chops, and most of us like fried food despite how unhealthy it is, it's absolutely delicious. I would give this a solid 8.5, 9. It's crispy and just that touch of orange pepper in it. Whew. Besides it being hot, it's quite tasty. Now, the good, the bad, the ugly. The pork chop itself is not necessarily, as long as it's cooked correctly, it's not too unhealthy. It's the frying part that makes it unhealthy. All that cholesterol, fats. If you're trying to lose weight or on a calorie conscious diet, this may not be the food for you. If you just want to try it, just for giggles, you can. But I would not recommend more than one of these per month. It is absolutely calorie filled of fat, oil, and cholesterol. But it's also a mouth-watering. Until next time, family, take care of yourself. I'll see you all soon.